So this is a real quick tutorial on how to link the materials you want to use with your students on any hyperdocs assignment. This procedure works with any Google Slide, Google Doc. It works with any of the Word PowerPoints or docs. Very simple. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the text that I want my students to do. So I'm asking them to please read the following assignment, and we're going to make this assignment about school. Make it really simple, okay? The easiest way to go ahead and link what you're trying to do, rather than put the document in here, although you can do that also, is to hyperlink your assignment. So here's what I want them to do. I would actually do the whole thing, the assignment about school. And you see this little format here, this is insert link. I've already decided that I want this document. You'll notice it's a Google Doc, but this works for PDFs. It's already in my Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and use this. So make sure you have it set up so that you can share it. Okay. And again, the best way to do it if you're going to share it is you want to make sure that it's not restricted. So this one right here, especially in Yucaipa Calamasa, you want to make sure that it's public. I've already gone ahead. People with this link can open it. If you haven't changed it, you need to. And I'm just going to copy that link. And then I'm going to come back to what I've got here. I'm going to go ahead with my linked assignment piece. I'm going to paste that assignment right here. And you'll notice I can't tell here, but when I hit apply, this turns blue. When your students following this, they have to be presenting, but when they follow this, that assignment piece, I'm going to go ahead and try to pull this up for you for just a sec. That assignment piece, see how it's blue? When they click on it, it's going to take them directly to the document you wanted them to open. Now there's a couple of things. You want to make sure that it's something that they cannot change, so it can't be an editable thing. So when you're doing this, you want to take a look at how you do the sharing piece. But again, this one right here, it's simply a PDF, so they can't change it. And it makes it really simple to go ahead and share what I wanted them to do, as opposed to them deciding for themselves or having to try to put that document in here. By the way, you can also do this with a picture. So let's say I want to go ahead and I'm going to insert a picture, an image, and I want to go ahead and, I don't know, search the web, and let's search for school. I'm going to go ahead and insert this picture here, and I'm going to insert it. And when I insert this, I can also link the picture. So especially if you wanted to keep it simple for your students and say, here, you have to do 4 assignments, 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, you can link this as well. So again, you click on the picture, you click on the link, you're going to go ahead and paste. I'm just going to paste the same one because I know it's there. And this no longer shows up, but you can tell already. Take a look that since it's here, when they go to access it, again, they have to present to access it. They now can do this. And again, this link follows for Google Slides, Google Docs. It is the easiest way to use this.